I hit a wall like 5 minutes into that run. I was just like, oh wait, this is my life now, and I hate it. I want me lying down.
You are now watching Gas Station.
Shut up.
Hey, what's up? So I just got the funniest email from Continental Tire. They have a new tire called the ContiTour, and they say it's been optimized for better drainage and range. Basically means more mileage, better in the wet. And they want me to take this new tire and they want me to do what's called an iron butt. Iron butt, for those of you who don't know, is 1,000 miles in 24 hours, or I like to call pure hell. They said they emailed me because they heard I hate to ride very far or for very long times, and that's hurtful, but also true. I also hate turning down a challenge or losing more than anything else, so I'm gonna do it. Now all I need are some bikes, hopefully some friends, and a whole lot of coffee. We'll see how this goes. All right, update. So I found 2 friends to go with me. The first one's Frankie Garcia. He's a super hooligan racer and just a lover of really dumb ideas. He saw I was doing this on Instagram and he called me up and said, I want in. The second one is Sam Schneider, the bad beard. He's a videographer and I somehow convinced him that this wouldn't be that bad and it would be really fun and like cool to come help me shoot this thing. We also got Indian to help us out with bikes. So Sam's gonna be on a Roadmaster Classic to hold all of our gear and the camera equipment, and then Frank and I are on a pair of Indian Chiefs. Then I was thinking, riding 500 miles out and then back sucks. It's boring, it's not fun to watch, it makes for a dumb video, it's a bad idea. So, I had an idea. We're gonna start at Cycle World headquarters in Irvine. Go from there to San Diego, take the 8 to Phoenix. From Phoenix, go to the Grand Canyon. Take a loop from the Grand Canyon up around through Utah and into Las Vegas and end there. It's about 1,010 miles and it's gonna be miserable. So we have buds, we have bikes, we have tires, we have a route. Now I can't even ditch this whole idea and it's actually gonna happen.
All right.
You have the 0 on there?
Yep. We're in Irvine, 211. It's Tuesday. We're doing an iron butt. Conti challenged me. I was dumb enough to say yes. I didn't have to ask this person. This person called me.
I will say there was a little bit of a mix-up. I thought it was 500, not 500 miles a day.
So Frankie's here. You're gonna see a bunch of the bad beard who's holding the camera right now and most of the time. But okay, helmet's on. Shit loaded up. Because once we swipe this credit card, the receipt prints out.
I'm not ready.
I have to pee.
All right. Wild hogs. We're out of here.
Call me anytime. You know,
You have to go inside to get it?
So, wooden print. I got it. 3/27/18, 2:17 p.m. Oh my god, my ass hurts. What do you think, Bad Beard?
Huh?
What do you think of this whole endeavor? This is your first chance to be on the other side of the lens.
I've almost dropped my camera about 4 times. My phone, at least 6. He's taken my headsets, now I listen to nothing because he can't keep anything charged. So, I mean, it sucks, but
When's it my fault?
it's great.
I will say that my favorite feature of everything that we have so far is the cruise control. I've really grown fond of the cruise control along with the windshield.
You know what I've grown the most fond of?
What? Fun time with our friends?
These biscuits.
You guys want to start with any appetizers at all?
Over this.
Done, not even halfway there. 1 hour left?
1 hour.
We got an hour.
A little less. Well, it's 60 miles.
You can see it in his face so bad.
I was trying to have you guys stop talking or something. I need some Advil for my ass. I want it. Or me lying down.
You are now watching gas station.
Shut up! I had a wall like 5 minutes ago and I was just like, oh wait. This is my life now and I hate it. Frankie, be helpful. You got to Instagram what we gassed up last time.
I got Instagram the whole thing.
This time you can be a little helpful.
You should care more about your followers, Sean. I don't know, I mean, we're not making great time. We're 8 hours in, we've made it 350 miles. We gotta start putting some serious tire to the pavement, rubber down. I don't know.
Perfect. Just what I wanted to do.
That's about how today's gone. It's 11 something on Tuesday. Is he blow drying his hair? We got on the road almost on time actually, because I lied to them and told them to come several hours early. We're not making great time.
We're having a great time.
We're having a great time. We're not making great time. We left at 2 something. That's 9? Man, I'm really done right now. We've gone about 410 miles. We have to sleep for 2 and then get up. Hey man, your hair looks so good. Please tell me his power stance is in frame.
Of course.
God. I really like the both of you. I meant love.
Oh, look what we found.
I just also hate the both of you.
Why do you hate me? You're the one that brought us on.
Yes! Guys, I'm back.
Huh?
I'm back. I forgot to mention that tomorrow we're gonna leave. It's gonna be 20 degrees colder. Good night.
I left at like 5, drove all the way down to Irvine, went over to Cycle World, got yelled at for trying to bring. Sean yelled at me for trying to bring too much clothes and an extra pair of shoes and 2 pairs of pants, 4 pairs of underwear, and 4 pairs of socks, 3 jackets, a vest. He didn't let me bring my iPad. And so far we've ridden 410 miles, which doesn't seem like a lot, considering we have to go another 550 more.
Frankie, what's 410 plus 550?
410 plus 550, it's... Whoa, I'm an idiot. 590 miles. Math is not my strongest point.
Hey Frankie.
What?
What is your strongest point?
I'm a real go-getter. I think I like to consider myself a gentleman, but I think I make people laugh pretty good. Would you guys agree on that? Sort of, mostly?
I mean, it's like a mix between...
Sean's grumpy. It's kind of funny.
It's 2:30 a.m. Got 590 miles to go.
Not 550.
Not 550. We have some major mileage to do.
Next stop is...
Grand Canyon.
Did I see it got into the 30s there for a second?
Like 30.
It was at 30. Like I think I saw 32 was a low.
Yeah. This sucks.
You want to have this conversation inside?
bikes say 17 degrees. My weather app says 21.
What does Frankie's bottle say?
Water bottle on the windscreen, frozen. Can't breathe out of my nose.
Guys, we at least made it here. We survived last night. We made it here.
This especially is worth whatever
I hate
effort we put forward.
I hate losing.
I wish I could hang out longer and check this out, but
It'd be cool to do.
we have a job to do. And guess what? I'm never riding a motorcycle here ever again.
We made it here to the frozen tundra.
Worse than frozen.
It's a huge paper. We gotta get the out of here. We got no time for this.
Thanks! Oh, ran out of gas.
We got 230 miles
Did somebody just run out of gas?
in about 3.5 hours. You just ran out of gas because I thought we could make it one gas stop further and we need to push our tanks. And we pushed our tank a little too far. But Frankie hustled back. And got
How's your back doing, bud?
We're going like 90.
I think we need to go.
No, we're going to be going 65.
I think we need to go 85.
Running the entire time. I don't know what it's at.
Guys, I hate motorcycles.
I'm never doing that again.
Connie Iron Butt Challenge, 1,000 miles in 24 hours. It's officially completed. Why the f do people do iron butts?
I honestly feel like my butt got smaller. Like it probably should have like grown or like gained some muscle. No, things shriveled up.
At the end of the day, I'm glad it's over. We never have to do it again.
Look at that.